Hey guys, it's Davi here with Greenware DIY and Greenware Designs, and I have decided I want to have a nice backdrop when I take my photos. I've recently redone my sewing room and I like the current layout, but I don't really have a designated spot anymore where I photograph. The area that I used to do was like greenery wall, and I put my sewing desk in front of it, so now I have to find a new place that I want to take photographs in front of for completed designs. So I remember that I had this room divider back here. Yeah. It is what it is. It's brown, it's dirty, and it's not. She's in jail. I want to show you a cute way to make this banging for all photos. Of course, it's gonna be pink. I thought about doing white just so it's neutral for all of my photos, but it's two sides to it. So the outside may be pink, what people see when they come up, but on the inside, I think I am gonna do it in white. We'll see. But I'm either thinking doing fake flowers, but I'm thinking that could get pretty pricey. And then I saw something with someone turning tablecloths into tassels and layering it for an effect, and that's pretty cheap. I saw someone doing tablecloths and cutting them up, making tassels and layering it, and that was really cute. Another idea I had was balloons, but yeah, I'm really leaning towards the tablecloth because I can grab a couple really cheap, cut and layer, and get a full look without going so expensive. So I went to my local 99-cents only store, and I did go into the party section. I found these. Now I've seen a lot of tutorials where people are using tablecloths and cutting them up to basically get the shape, and then they're weaving them through like some kind of netting. I don't have time for that. This I looked at and I saw that it's pretty much the fringe shape that I already want. And you have to assemble them onto the string that's on here. So I opened up one pack, took one of the pieces off, opened it up, and saw that it's already in the strips. So what I'm just going to do is pretty much go ahead and glue these on here in a layered effect to cover that thing. Now I am going to have to work all the way from the bottom to the top, but I only have to do one side because the other side I am going to be painting. So we're just going to wing it, guys, and hope I have enough. I've bought over, let me see. So I bought 15 packs of the individual strings of fringe. Each pack was $1, I believe. But just in case I do run out, I did go ahead and buy the tablecloth. I bought 2 of these just in case I have to fill in some gaps, but I don't think I'll I'm hoping I don't have to use these because I'll go get my money back. But either way, we're gonna get started and just watch. Alright guys, in total with all of the fringe, the paper flowers, and lanterns, hot glue, I ended up spending about $40. Now mind you, I did already have the divider, already had one pack of the gold and white envelope folders already, so and I had a string of pink flowers already. So if we wanted to add a little bit more, I would say add an additional $15 for the supplies. The room divider, still don't have a cost for that. That was a gift. But you can kind of see how much it would cost to cover something this big in these type of paper items. Alright, so voiceover Davi here, guys. So I know I said I was going to paint the other side. Lies. Ended up finding these paper flowers at Dollar Tree, opening them up, gluing on here, as well as some paper lanterns or fans. Glue them on the other side. And that's what we did. So on the front side we have that tassel fringe, and the other side we have flowers. So here we are, grand reveal.